As the demand for high-performance electric bikes continues to surge, 2025 has brought a fresh wave of dual-motor, all-wheel drive electric bikes that redefine what riders can expect from an e-bike. Whether you're scaling steep inclines, powering through rugged terrain, or seeking extra stability on your urban commutes, dual-motor e-bikes are a game-changer. At number 5 is the Ariel Rider Grizzly, an electric bike built for those seeking adventure in all terrains. This impressive e-bike is equipped with dual 1000 watts hub motors, which give you the flexibility to ride using either the front motor, rear motor, or both for an all-wheel drive experience. Whether you're on a paved road, gravel path, or taking on rugged trails, the Grizzly offers unmatched power and versatility. Its dual suspension system further enhances the ride, ensuring a smooth journey over bumps and rough terrain. Puncture-resistant tires add to its reliability, allowing you to focus on the ride rather than worry about flats. What makes the Ariel Rider Grizzly unique is its double battery system, combining a 20 amp-hour and a 15 amp-hour battery for a total of 35 amp-hour. This gives it an impressive range of up to 110 miles, depending on riding conditions. The 52-volt system also provides more power and efficiency compared to standard 48-volt systems, making it one of the most capable e-bikes in its class. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, the Grizzly's high-performance dual-motor system offers speed and endurance, while the robust suspension keeps your ride comfortable. The Ariel Rider Grizzly also features a powerful LED headlight that enhances visibility, making it safe for nighttime riding. The bike's design is practical and durable, with an optional extension saddle that allows a passenger to join in on the adventure. Safety is a priority as well, with Tektro hydraulic disc brakes providing excellent stopping power, even when riding at high speeds or navigating downhill paths. The Grizzly is undoubtedly a top contender for anyone looking for a dual-motor e-bike that can handle various terrains with ease, all while delivering a smooth and controlled ride. The Freesky Warrior Pro M-530 claims the 4th spot on our list, offering a combination of raw power, durability, and off-road capabilities. This e-bike is designed with dual hub motors that deliver a peak power output of 2,800 watts, 1,400 watts each, providing incredible torque and acceleration for tackling tough terrains. Whether you're climbing steep 40-degree slopes or navigating rocky trails, the Warrior Pro handles it all with ease. You can switch between using a single motor for extended range or both motors when extra power is needed. The Warrior Pro M-530's 1,200 watt-hour removable battery adds another layer of convenience and performance. With a single charge, you can cover a range of 50 to 85 miles using just the rear motor or 30 to 50 miles when using both motors. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for long-distance trail rides and off-road adventures. The battery is supported by advanced battery management system technology, which optimizes battery life and performance while ensuring safe operation. Additionally, the fast charger allows you to recharge in approximately 6 hours, so you're always ready for your next journey. What sets the Warrior Pro apart is its full suspension bike frame, which combines front and rear suspension for a comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. The adjustable hydraulic downhill front fork absorbers and rear shock absorbers significantly reduce strain on the joints, making this e-bike perfect for all-terrain challenges. Furthermore, its fat 26-inch by 4.0-inch tires ensure stability and grip on all types of surfaces, including snow, sand, and gravel. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a casual rider, the Freesky Warrior Pro M-530 is built to perform and excel in demanding conditions. Taking third place is the ANIIOKI AQ177, a dual-motor e-bike designed for thrill seekers who crave speed and power. The AQ177 boasts a 750 watts front motor and a 1000 watts rear motor, giving it a combined peak output of 2,600 watts. This results in top speeds of up to 33 miles per hour and the ability to conquer 40-degree inclines effortlessly. The dual-motor system offers impressive torque, allowing you to ride confidently on various terrains, from city streets to steep mountain trails. One of the standout features of the ANIIOKI AQ177 is its 52-volt 60 amp-hour battery, which provides one of the largest capacities in its class. This allows the bike to achieve an extended range, ensuring that you can explore further without worrying about running out of power. The battery is designed with waterproof and protective systems, ensuring that you can ride in all weather conditions without compromising the bike's performance. The AQ177's full suspension system is designed to maximize comfort during rides, featuring 80 to 120 mm hydraulic suspension and dual rear shock absorbers. Whether you're riding on rough roads or smooth pavement, this suspension setup ensures that the ride is always smooth and controlled. Additionally, the bike's 203 mm front and 180 mm rear hydraulic disc brakes provide exceptional stopping power, even in challenging conditions, making the ANIIOKI AQ177 a reliable and safe option for riders seeking high performance. In second place is the TT-EBIKE dual-motor folding electric bike, a powerful and versatile option for riders who want the benefits of dual-motor performance in a more portable package. With 4,350 watts peak power from its dual motors, this folding e-bike offers incredible acceleration and the ability to tackle slopes up to 40 degrees. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring off-road trails, the TT-EBIKE delivers the power and speed needed for a thrilling ride. The bike is equipped with a 52-volt 28 amp-hour battery, providing a range of up to 70 miles on a single charge with pedal assist. This is especially impressive for a folding e-bike, making it perfect for riders who need a compact, portable solution without sacrificing range or performance. The folding design also makes it easy to store or transport, whether you're taking it on public transportation or packing it in your car for weekend adventures. Comfort and versatility are at the forefront of the TT-EBIKE's design, with dual suspension and fat 26-inch by 4-inch tires providing excellent grip and stability on various terrains. The Shimano 7-speed system further enhances control, while front and rear disc brakes ensure responsive stopping power. If you're looking for a dual-motor e-bike that combines power, portability, and versatility, the TT-EBIKE dual-motor folding electric bike is a top choice for 2025. At the top of our list is the E-Cells AWD Kings Crown, a dual-motor e-bike that sets the standard for off-road performance in 2025. Powered by dual 1,000 watts Bafang motors, the Kings Crown offers a combined torque of 170 Nm, making it a true powerhouse capable of conquering the toughest terrains. Whether you're riding on muddy trails, through snow, or across rocky paths, the Kings Crown provides exceptional traction and stability with its all-wheel drive system. The 52-volt dual battery system offers continuous power, with a range that ensures you can ride for hours without worrying about running out of charge. The bike's drivetrain is engineered for smooth, efficient performance, featuring the Shimano Dora 10-speed system for precise shifting and control. Whether you're tackling steep climbs or descending rapidly, the Kings Crown adapts to your riding needs effortlessly. The Kings Crown is equipped with 26 inches by 4.8 inches Maxxis Minion tires, providing superior grip and stability on challenging terrains. Its hydraulic brakes offer reliable stopping power, and the inclusion of 9 levels of pedal assist ensures that you have full control over the bike's performance. The Bafang torque sensor provides smoother and more responsive pedal assistance compared to traditional cadence systems, making the Kings Crown a joy to ride in any condition. With its robust build, advanced components, and top-tier performance, the E-Cells AWD Kings Crown is the best dual-motor e-bike of 2025. It delivers a perfect blend of power, endurance, and control, making it the ultimate choice for off-road adventurers and thrill-seekers alike. So, which dual-motor e-bike are you ready to take on your next adventure? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and up-to-date pricing. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for the latest updates on top electric bikes and all things e-mobility.